Yeah. Go on the market. Alright. What's up, vlog world? What's up, vlog world? It's your boy Tyta here, and last time I told you I take a break for study for my driving exam. I'm getting permit, I get it now. See, they're setting up on the back. Yeah, and me over here, so this time when I driving seat, I'm gonna be right there, so. And she's my instructor, teacher, best person for teacher. So I don't know. Now I'm gonna be there, not know me I may drive, but I'm not gonna know what it turn out. Let's go. Wow. Just come out here back there. Ah. Pop it pop. Wanna hear this? You sure wanna hear this? No. So, drive come Walmart, and on a scale of 1 to 10, how am I doing? Seriously? What? Mommy, hold on for the door. But yeah, they had the good. I'm just not driving, not, you know, the master yet. It's my first time up here, yeah. The left hand drive, yeah. Since becoming, I fall in love with the butter bread. Which brand again? Which brand? Eh? Sara Lee. See there, the butter one is? Yeah. Me falling in love with the butter bread. You know, mommy love her whole wheat and her traditional XYZ, but that can't go wrong with it, trust me. You don't have to add no butter to it, you know, love cake bread and butter when they are land down. Like me I tell. But driving and going good so far, people. I just want to get the hang of it. But the left hand drive, because from there Jamaica, I have burn up road, you know. She don't know if I have burn up road in Jamaica, but I have burn up road. You see me? Like, I don't know anything. Yeah, I don't know myself, but they are buying chicken. I don't think I'm realize the chicken them and the meat price, but them have with the Walmart people. That's why them get close to expire, they put them past sale. How them take people for idiot? They put them little some same missing for sure. When them past sale, they put them past sale.
Oh no.
Put one yellow tag over it and then see the actual price go. We done. They check idiot. The expire today or tomorrow. They might take it off a shelf, but yeah. Some fall. So that is 2-piece video. Experiment with 2-piece. So I'm to the leg. You love ties, so you don't have enough ties already, mommy. You don't have enough ties already. You love ties, so. Sure. Hey. Making my way downtown. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Every time I come here, I look at them. I used to go primary school, basic school. Mom used to buy them for me. Them biscuits are bad. I don't like peanut butter, but the cheddar cheese one day. Cheddar, you know what I talk about already. Yeah. Which one? Grape or apple? So you're not drinking any? Apple, very nice. So do a little light shopping in the people. So a little top up. Cashier? You see me? 10 items. Cashier. 10.
What the fuck?
So a little light shopping. Watch the road. Where you're going? Yes. Take your time, man. I'm running away. I come out there. This is said island.
I don't remember. Maybe come in. I don't know. Alright, take your time. Before the camera pick you up.
Yeah. Go on the bossy. Shut.
Alright.
Bloody afraid of the road, you know.
Oh, me? I'm afraid of people driving. Really? What is it?
That's that movie camera. Should be green light, but
I see.
I mean, I think that we can drive people. She's nervous, so she's afraid of me. Obviously. Defensive driving. Look, check all the mirrors. I'm looking, mommy. I'm looking. Check all the mirrors, guys. Understand? Drive within the speed limit. Right here, speed limit is 40 and I'm going at 40. Exactly 40. Sorry, guys. I'm going to make that with the slow record. Yep. I'm going to be on my face. I'm going to do it for the camera. Shut with the camera all board. Yeah. Straight right to that speed limit, not going above it, not going below it. That's good driving, guys. The boy's getting it.
It's an indicator. Stop! In the middle, you're going to put an indicator and tap in front side. But you're going to let you want to go around him.
I'm going to want to go around him, I'm not sure I want to get.
No way you pass the gate.
No, I'm passing the gate. I'm afraid of it. Yeah, cash for the players, though. I don't know that. I don't know if you have to say about yourself to the people.
I never go to school, go do my name, videography.
Oh, we don't go to school either.
Well, if you have time, and not time for them to, yeah.
Alright, so mommy teach me to park in the tree long. Line up with that, turn the night like that. You see my people? Mother teach me, you know. See me, I say? She teach me, you know. Straight up a car.
Alright, I'm going to go back.
Boom, boom, put the reverse and look in the line. And you park, you see me? Just a boom, and you put on the foot brake or e-brake. Just a boom, you lock off the car. But first, you must take glass and wind up. Wind up the glass, them and thing. Yeah, and you lock off the car. Mama, no for video to save herself, people. But as you can see, I get it. Yeah, just used to try left hand driving and you have to drive on the right side of the road. Not have to get, but just I used to drive on the left hand vehicle car basically. Mommy rate me now, 1 to 10. Yeah. Stop phone this one and talk. She don't want to give me props to that, she don't want me can drive you know.
5.
Come on man, even 5 already man.
4.
Mommy, me I drive within the speed limit and I'm not going fast on the speed limit. So bad now, yeah! Alright, so that sounds good. What's the happening again? Oh, the permit. Some of them. And thing. Me I get it deep, you understand? Me I get it man, I general on this. You know, long time me I do this. Yeah. You see I stay, let me keep staying there, no? Let me there's something about the in my pocket. So on I did. I enjoy the vlog, them I show not like all of them in the people, you know? Like I'm not like the people that enjoy the vlog them man. I love that. From Jamaica, they have a big help in your car. People that call you lunatic. Yeah, man, they know that one day. They know. It's like the lunatic side. I like that, but I'll go off now. It's always come on and stay. Alright. Bye.